Hey Ryan.
Hey, how you doing?
West Chester wants to know, when will my street be plowed?
Well, here at the township, we prioritize our streets. Some of our examples of our main roads that we do first is Lesourceville Westchester Road, Westchester Road, Barrett Road, and Cox Road. From there, we do the main thoroughfares and collectors. Some of the examples of that would be Eagle Ridge, Revere Run, etc. And from there, we work into the cul-de-sac streets. And it's a little bit easier for us in the maintenance division, if you can, to remove your car from the street in a snow event for our smaller trucks to get in and clean the street properly. All the main roads are not usually the township's responsibility. We also have different municipalities, ODOT to do some main thoroughfares and highways, and also the county engineer's office. But we do our best what we can to get the streets cleaned properly. If you have a question for West Chester Wants to Know, you can visit our website or social media.